I'm Benjamin Ward. I'm the Director of Research Development and Ethics, and I work in the Office of Research here at Cleveland State. Cleveland State prides itself on being an urban public research institution. We like that we impact our community here at the heart of Cleveland, but also beyond, and also that we provide not only cutting-edge research, but also opportunities for our students to learn new skills that they'll translate to later in life, and also different opportunities to make an impact. So the research here has great impact and is recognized by not only local community, but also by federal agencies. We have federal grants funded from the National Institutes of Health, National Science Foundation, the U.S. Economic Development Administration, as well as from local community organizations and philanthropic foundations. I get to work with faculty across fields from the STEM fields, whether they're working in advanced manufacturing, biomedical research, or new materials development, as well as in the arts. I get to work with people in our film school who are working in history or criminology or sociology, psychology. So it's great to have a wide breadth of research. Here at Cleveland State, we are working on the new technologies that are out there, whether it's quantum computing, digital humanities, energy resiliency, all those things that are at the forefront of problems that we're trying to solve today, as well as problems that need to be addressed years down the line. Students are one of the key elements of research here at Cleveland State. We go out of our way to make sure that students have opportunities and are directly involved in the research that we do. So one way that we try to make an impact is through collaboration with other institutions. We have a very close partnership with the Cleveland Clinic and their quantum computing facility, as well as in their biomedical research areas. So when a student comes to Cleveland State, the first thing I want them to know is that there are opportunities. You're going to learn from some of the best faculty and researchers in the world, and you're also going to develop skills that you'll be able to use throughout your life.